all the platforms, I'd say Mercari is the platform that I don't get the most amount of sales, and things don't sell for very much, but things do sell, so I do keep it as a platform. In February, in fact, I only had 11 sales. The first thing to sell on Mercari in the month of February was a Charlie B white sleeveless dress. This came from a previous flip lot, which I bought out for a cost of goods of $3. This sold for $16 to the buyer. After the platform fees, that gave me $13.44. Of course, then I had to take out my $3 cost of goods, so I made $10.44 on that sale. This next piece, I was actually really surprised it took so long to sell. It came from some free inventory that somebody donated to me a while ago. This was actually one of the first pieces that I got. It was a Victoria's Secret Sport pink long sleeve t-shirt. It was new with tags. It sold for just $15. After platform fees, that gave me $12.56. Again, because it was donated, all that was complete profit to me. Another piece of free inventory, this was a Lululemon Broken Beat sweater dress. This sold for $31 to the buyer. After platform fees, that gave me $26.50 of profit because it was free. The next piece was also free inventory and was also Lululemon. This was a black, what was it called? Black Right Time dress. It was a 3/4 sleeve mini dress. It sold for $23. After platform fees, that gave me $19.53. Now this next one wasn't free inventory. It came from a thredup rescue box. No, just kidding. It came from a flip lot with my cost of goods being $3. This was a Lucy Brown mini skirt that sold for $19. After platform fees and after shipping, because I did pay for shipping on this one, it gave me $11.06. Back to some free inventory. This was a Lewin Gray Black Signature Soft Black Sweater. It sold for $17. After platform fees, that gave me $14.31. So this free inventory, as I've said before, is really working out for me. This next piece came from a thredup rescue box. It didn't have a brand attached to it. I did try to look up images on Google Image. I didn't really come to anything, so I just left it like at the description. I didn't put a brand, didn't try to like pretend a brand or anything like that. This was a long sleeve blouse. It was like a satiny type blouse that had sparkly beads down the center. This sold for $21. After platform fees, that gave me $17.79. By the way, if you can see my shirt, I am definitely an educator by all means. I feel like full-on educator wearing this even though it's the weekend. You know, it just lives in my daily life. This is something that I would wear on a Friday. This next piece is a Gap piece. It came from free inventory. This is a Gap women's linen and cotton shorts. These sold for $8 with no shipping discount, so that can be $6.47. Another Gap piece, another piece of free inventory. This was a gray kind of long, cozy, comfy cardigan. This sold for $16 with no shipping discount, so that gave me $13.44 of profit because it was completely free inventory to me. Now this next one came in a thredup rescue box with my cost of goods of approximately $2. I always say it is a little bit less than that. It's just easier to say $2 here. This was a Zara basic kind of lemon yellow blazer. I was able to wear it a couple of times, so I was pretty excited about that. This one sold for $27. After platform fees, that was $23.02. Now this last piece came from a flip lot that was still on consignment, so I did have to split the profit 50-50 with the client. This was a Z Supply women's black cozy lounge pants. They sold for $15. After platform fees, that was $12.56. And then of course having to split that 50%. So I say approximately 50% because really my consignment is 60%. Or I take 60%, but also all the platform fees come out of my half. It turns out to be roughly 50%. And that was all of my sales on Mercari in the month of February. I hope that sales have been better for you on Mercari. For me, like, it goes up and down. I think I have more than 11 sales on Mercari this month so far. Last month wasn't really cutting it. I don't know, I can't really figure Mercari out. Every time I'm ready to just give up on it, I make another sale. So then I just leave things there, and it's so easy just to cross-list and delist things, especially if you have any kind of Chrome extension. I use Prime Lister. It helps a lot. It really, really does. Not that I'm just like majorly trying to sell it, but it helps so much, especially like I said, I am an educator. I don't have a whole lot of time to be spending on things. It really helps like a lot. It shares, it relists, it delists, all these different things. So again, hopefully Mercari sales have been a little bit better for you. Tell me in the comments below, how's it been for you? While you're at it, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the like button. If you made it this far in this video, you've liked it for a reason. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That allows my videos to show up on your homepage and the homepage of others, and it allows us to continue to learn and grow together.